Self-hosted apps that replace expensive subscriptions. Let's talk about the subscriptions draining your wallet every month. Cloud storage, password managers, media streaming, project management. What if you could replace all of them for free? First up, Nextcloud replaces Google Drive and Dropbox. Store your files on your own server. Full control, no monthly fees, and you get collaboration features too. Second, Vault Warden replaces Bitwarden's premium tier and LastPass. Self-hosted password manager with all the premium features. Your passwords stay on your hardware. Third, Jellyfin replaces Netflix, Spotify, and Plex's premium features. Stream your own media library to any device. No ads, no tracking, no subscription. Fourth, Gitty replaces GitHub Pro. Host your own Git repositories with issue tracking, pull requests, and CI/CD pipelines. Unlimited private repos, no monthly fee. Fifth, Homepage replaces your bookmarks and RSS subscriptions. A single dashboard that shows all your services, bookmarks, and widgets. Clean, fast, and yours. The only cost is the hardware to run them, and a basic home server pays for itself in a few months of cancelled subscriptions.